far edge of that where it's resonant. But he's not. He can't out conservative Rick Santorum.
Well, he says he's severely conservative. He says he's severely conservative.
Well, what does that mean? I'm not sure that I'm still in that phrase. It's not connecting with those voters the way Rick Santorum is.
Neil, let me throw up some numbers for the NBC poll set up primary voters. What's most important? 39% say true conservative. 52% says President Obama. The poll also shows this 37% think Romney, 35% think Santorum, but in a head-to-head matchup with Michigan voters, it's 51% Romney, 30. There on the screen. What story do you see numbers the NBC News poll?
Well, I think the storyline is editorial for the New York Times heard him. This idea that he didn't support this bailout, he didn't support the $80 infusion of cash. I think that's the takeaway here. So many workers are by the auto industry. I think that's the takeaway. I don't know presidents are in Michigan. He, of course, won last time. And this argument that Romney has had, he's a hometown boy, that he relates to those folks in Michigan. So far, he hasn't been able to make the